Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Yes, guys, I am back again this week. I'm telling you, Dollar General is on fire, guys. I don't know about you, but I'm going to be spending a lot of time in Dollar General this week. So get prepared to get a lot of notifications from me. But the only way you'll get a notification every time I put up a new video is if you are a subscriber and you hit that bell right next to it. You will get notified every time I put up a new deal. And if I were you, and if you're trying to save, if you're trying to build a stockpile, if you got kids going away from college, you might want to hit that subscription button and hit that bell right next to it so that you don't miss out on anything, because I'm telling you, I have not seen Dollar General on fire this many times in 1 week in a long time. But also by hitting that that subscription button, that helps me get to the road to 15K that I'm trying to do. So help me out, please, and hit that button. But guys, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to jump right into it. So you see that I'm in the paper towel aisles. I have an incredible, and I mean incredible, deal for you for the paper towels. And it's even better than the Scott deal that I did yesterday and on Saturday. And if you don't know what the Scott deal was, no worries. I'm going to put that video, I'm going to pin it to this video. It'll be in the comments, as well as it'll show up at the end of the video. So if you need to get some Scott paper towels or some Scott toilet paper or do that deal, you'll be able to do that. But this deal, I wouldn't say it's a glitch, because we're using manufacturer coupons and Dollar General coupons, but it is a run deal. And I know the stores are going to be empty. I know my store is low already, and it's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon on Monday. So just to let you guys know, this deal is good all this week. Monday and Sunday. Today's Sunday. I am so mixed up, guys. Today's Sunday, and my store, like I said, is already almost empty. But this deal is going to be good. The way I'm going to do this deal is good for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, and then on Saturday, because you're going to need your 5 off 25. So make sure you go in your Dollar General app and clip that extra 5 off 25 coupon that they gave us. Or if you don't have the digital, you can always use the paper, which actually printed on my receipts over the weekend. So guys, let's go ahead and let's get started. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab one of these bounties that are 6 equals 15, okay? This right here, and they are $16.75. Now, when you scan these in the app, you see that they are $16.75, but there are a number of coupons that are attaching. The first coupon that is attaching is to spend $30, get $8 back on your next purchase. And if I'm not mistaken, like that coupon is in the past, you have to be at $30 after all of your coupons. The next coupon that's attaching is save $3 when you buy 2 of any of these products, which are Charmin, Dawn, Swiffer, Pampers, Loves, Bounty, Puffs, Febreze, Mr. Clean, all of that. And that is a manufacturer coupon. Now here is a Dollar General store coupon, which is a buy one, get one free. So when you buy 1 6-pack double plus Bounty, you get 1 Dawn Power Wash or refill for free. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to make sure that you clip these 2 coupons. All right, make sure those are clipped. You want to grab one of these bounties, like I said, the 6 equals 15. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and we're going to grab our Dawn Power Wash. Hold on, guys, I gotta try to get through the aisles here. They have all kind of boxes and stuff through here. They must have just gotten their truck. Okay, so here's the Dawn Power Wash, okay? So we want to grab one of those. Now, I'm going to grab the actual power wash. I'm not going to grab the refill. When you scan the power wash is $5. When you scan into the app, it comes up $5. And when you scan it, you see these two coupons attached, which are the $3 off when you buy 2 of any of those products, those P&G products, and you get the Dawn Power Wash free when you buy the Bounty. So make sure you have those 2 clipped, okay? So that's $5, and that's $16.75. So that brings us to $21.75, right? Well, we want to get our total to $25 so that we can use the 5 off 25. Now, guys, here's where the glitch goes. Normally, when you have an instant savings or like some kind of Dollar General coupon, sometimes it doesn't count towards your 5 off 25. This one does, so you don't have to worry about making that money up. Like if you watch the Scott deal, I had the instant savings, and I had to account for that $6 that came off for the instant savings. I don't have to account for anything in this deal, okay? So we're at $21.75. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add one of these Airwick Advanced plugins, okay? They are $4. Now, you have to be careful with this deal. Please, guys, be very careful with this, all right? When you scan this into your app, what's going to happen, hold on, I got to get it back up on my phone. Okay, so when you scan that item into your app, 2 different offers will come up. It'll be the $4 digital coupon, which gives it to you for free. And then you have the $3 cash back. The $3 cash back, you can actually do, I think, 3 times. You can do that 3 times. So if you use the cash back, you'll pay $1 for that. But if you use the $4 digital coupon, you'll get it for absolutely free. Now, just make sure, if you want to do the deal where it's the least out of pocket, you got to make sure that the $4 is clipped. If you have the $3 clip, that one is going to take precedence over the $4 one. So just make sure that you have the $4 one clip, okay? So I'm going to add that to our deal, and that's going to bring us up to our $25. Okay, guys, so this is what we're going to get. We're going to get the Bounty, the Airwick, and the Dawn. I'm going to go ahead to the register, and also make sure you clip your 5 off 25, and I'm going to see what our total is going to be. Okay, guys, so I am back in the car. It is hot, hot, hot here in Pennsylvania. Whew, I can't take this heat. So I apologize to you guys if you hear the air blowing, but I have to have it on full blast because I am hot. I can't. So guys, everything worked out perfectly. So I'm telling you, you guys better go do this deal. So let's go over the receipt. Here you see the Bounty for $6.75. Now you're going to see a bunch of store discounts. The store discount is going to add up to the 5 off 25 plus the price of the Dawn Power Wash that I got for free. So there's the Bounty for $16.75, store discount of $3.66, another store discount of $3.66, then the digital coupon for $3 off. There's the Dawn Power Wash for $5, the store discount of $1.34, and another store discount of $1.34. There's the Airwick and the $4 digital coupon for the Airwick. My total was $8.75, guys. That is less than 50%. Look, I saved $17. You know, we don't talk about tax because tax is different in every city, state, and borough. So go out, get your Airwick, get your Bounty, and get your Dawn. FYI, if your store is sold out of the Airwick, just get something to bring your total to $25 so that you can use your 5 off 25. We have a bunch of digital coupons. We have a bunch of great deals that you can throw in to get your deal up to $25. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you're able to do this. And until the next time, keep on saving.